When we were researching different trauma kits and the availability for schools to implement this program, the Tramedic trauma kit was one that immediately caught our attention. Small, compact, self-contained, everything that would be needed for a teacher to use was contained in that kit. Having everything in one place, one-stop shop in an AED cabinet, we thought was an excellent model for us to take place. That way an event happens down this hallway, you reach in, you grab that kit, this is how you apply it. And through drills that we've ran, having that type of model has worked out very, very well in our district.
I believe the trauma kits are essential part of our school and our district. Accidents happen every day. Bleeding accidents happen every day, and that trauma kit is vital to save someone's life.
It was absolutely critical for us to have strategic placement of individuals that were trained how to use the kits and then access to the kits, so that we're talking about seconds for their implementation instead of minutes. And in an emergency situation, that could save a life. So it was very, very critical for us to put the resources available to people that are trained properly in their use and have them readily at their disposal.
Our kids know that there's an emergency team member in that classroom by a red heart that's placed on the door. They know if there's some kind of situation, something that's happened in the hall or in another classroom and they need some help, that's who they can go to get extra help that's right there beside them or on their hall.
When you start letting your mind go around all the environments that are in schools, from extracurricular activities to students at the high school driving to athletic events, you can really see that we have had a major gaping hole in school safety and not having these kits around for years. So I feel a whole lot better. My children go to this school district. I have a rising middle schooler and one in elementary now, and just knowing that those kits are there, not for the rare event of an active shooter, but the day-to-day things that kids can get involved in, makes me feel safer as a parent and an educator.